Here we have an Ingersoll Rand 7.5 horsepower, 80-gallon vertical compressor. This is 230 volt, single phase. It's in unused condition, and we're going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. Operates very nicely. So what we did is we added some genuine Rand oil, and here's your condensate blower right there. It just blew the bottle over. It's an empty bottle, but we added oil to the pump. It's about 1.5 quarts, and fired it up, and it operates very nicely. It does have some shipping issues here. We're going to show you that. Fan shroud and the belt pulley shroud right here. It has a little ding right here, a little dent. Okay, and on the other side, so it's dented in a little bit. Doesn't affect the operation of the unit at all. It's not hitting the flywheel. Okay, and the intercooler appears to be intact. There's no leaks or anything like that. This copper tubing going into the tank is a little bent up. Again, there's no leaks or anything. It's holding plenty of air. We have a little less than 50 psi in there. And like I said, the condensate unit right there, that does operate also. And then, on the air intake right here, there's a small crack, so this unit right here may have to be replaced. Not the outside cover, but the inside section right here that threads into the cylinder head. Okay, and the cylinder head is intact. There's nothing wrong with it. Overall, it's in really good condition. Got a small scratch right here, paint scratch on the tank. That's about it. So there you have it, 80-gallon Ingersoll Rand vertical compressor. And we thank you for looking at our product.